What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. As you could have seen, Memecoin season is heating up fast, and Pepe Heimer might just be the gem that everyone has been waiting for. The project is gearing up for its big listing next week, and all signs point to an explosive run. We're talking about potential 133x gains in a major perp DEX listing that could send this chart into orbit. The Memecoin super cycle for 2025 is already here, and Pepe Heimer looks locked in to lead the charge. Welcome back, guys. As I already highlighted, Memecoin season is crazy right now. Pepe and Shib showed how fast things can move, but Pepe Heimer looks ready to take that spotlight in 2025. The hype around this launch is more than real, and with just 1 week left before listing, it's literally all eyes on Pepe Heimer. The pre-sale is gaining massive traction, and rumors say that Pepe Heimer could become the first meme token to list on the perpetual DEX Aster. That kind of move can be huge for all early holders, especially with major central exchange listings already secured. On top of that, the setup looks more than strong, as there is low market cap, growing community, and real momentum building literally every day. That being said, guys, Pepe Heimer is going crazy right now. 43 million already raised, which is making it one of the biggest pre-sales this year. The final stage is live at just 0.015 per token, and the hype keeps growing with the 1000 Ethereum community challenge, which is now entering week 10. The community is more than massive, it's super active, and it's literally all moving pretty fast. Everything is fully secure too, because the contract is audited by Solid Proof, which means investors can feel fully safe. The project has also been featured on Yahoo Finance, CoinGape, Globe News Wire, and AP News, which is showing how serious and visible it has become in the crypto space. What makes Pepe Heimer stand out is that it's not only a meme, it actually has AI utility behind it. It runs HeimerFi, which helps automate portfolio rebalancing and yield optimization, and it has Gem Fission, which is an AI that scans the whole market to find undervalued tokens early. On top of that, the latest chart looks super bullish, as it's showing potential movement around the $2 mark after listing, which is giving huge upside for all early buyers. As you can see, guys, Pepe Heimer is heading straight into its final pre-sale stage before the huge October 17th listing, and this is where things get serious. The exchange lineup is literally massive. Uniswap, HTX, MEXC, and even Coinbase have confirmed listings. You can verify everything directly through the official team channels, which shows how transparent and credible this project really is. As I said, guys, the pre-sale price is locked at 0.015, and once this goes live, that entry point disappears forever. Historically, top-tier listings like these often push tokens 10x to 20x right out of the gate, and with over 42 million raised in constant community engagement, this one's momentum is undeniable. The team keeps everyone updated daily with countdowns and progress posts that keep the hype alive but also show real delivery. But guys, what comes next is where things get even more exciting. Pepe Heimer is building advanced AI tools, expanding into multi-chain networks, and working on rumored partnerships to launch an AI-powered perpetual DEX, which would be a complete first for the meme and AI sector. Pepe Heimer is combining the hype power of memes with the intelligence of AI and the structure of DeFi. And that blend, my friends, could completely reshape what meme projects mean in 2025. We are now in the final stage of the Pepe Heimer pre-sale, as I said, and with just about 2 weeks left, this is the last real shot to get in early. And you know the saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, this might be that moment for Pepe Heimer, especially with the perp DEX giants rumored to be involved. Anyone waiting until after listing will be buying in at a much higher valuation as retail demand and exchange volume kick in. The hype, the listings, the AI utility, literally everything is aligning perfectly. This is an opportunity you do not want to miss. Catch you in the next one.